Hi, Tom McAvity, Northwest Debt Relief. I just wanted to take this opportunity to discuss the benefits of Chapter 13, and the reason why I want to talk to you about it may not apply to you at all. Most of our clients are very interested in filing Chapter 7 bankruptcy, but I wanted to at least mention some of the benefits of Chapter 13, not only for people who are weighing the benefits of either one, but there are some people that can't file Chapter 7 because their incomes are simply too high. The main reason I want to do this is Chapter 13 is commonly misunderstood as a payment plan where you pay back all of your creditors over a certain time period, and that is rarely the case. Chapter 13 is almost always an opportunity to pay back what you can afford to pay back over a 5-year time period or 3-year time period while eliminating the full balance of what you owe. Let me use kind of an absurd example. Let's say you owe $1 million, right? And you can afford to pay back $100 a month for 3 years. Well, at the end of that 3-year period, you would have paid $3,600, but you would still eliminate the whole $1 million. So it's very different than having to pay everyone back. That's really, except in extremely rare cases, that's not what it is at all. So it's a very misunderstood chapter of bankruptcy. I did also want to mention a few of the benefits that Chapter 13 offers that Chapter 7 does not offer. If you're trying to get a license back, Chapter 13 is most often a much better vehicle for getting a driver's license back than Chapter 7. Some of our clients are shocked to hear that their license has been suspended for years on end, and by virtue of filing a Chapter 13 bankruptcy plan, paying back very little to their creditors, they're getting their licenses back the next week. So huge benefit that's almost always available there that's not available in Chapter 7. Also, if you're behind on your taxes, Chapter 13 is a great way to stop the IRS or any other taxing authority and force them to take the tax payments back at 0% interest over a long period of time. Can't beat it. Also, if you're underwater on your car, or maybe your car's worth less than what you owe on it, this is a great opportunity to reduce the balance on that car. Or if you're behind on the car and you're in danger of repo, this is a great way to get much better payment terms on that car over a long period of time. So these are just some of the benefits of Chapter 13. Of course, last but not least, if you're behind on your house, this is a way to save the house. You could be thousands of dollars behind, but have the opportunity to pay that back in very small increments over a long period of time. This is not to say that we want to guide you into filing a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, but I do want you to know that if you don't qualify for Chapter 7, there's an upside to filing Chapter 13, and sometimes, frankly, the Chapter 13 is going to save you much more money than a Chapter 7 ever would. That's all I have. Thanks for listening.